Hi everyone, welcome to the next card in today's Sweet Stockings class. I hope you're enjoying the cards so far. This card design is quite involved but really fun, so I hope you enjoy it. It is a straightforward card base at the back, like so, but then on the front we have this lovely pull-out section. I made this card design for a class I held for my team back in early 2021. It was really popular. It's a great way to showcase DSP, so I thought I would make a Christmas version to share with you all today. So for this card, I think the best thing we can do is to start from the very beginning. Okay, so for the card base, you're going to need your thick piece of basic white, and this measures 8.5 inches by 5.5 inches. I'll just double check that's right. Yep, that's right. And we're going to score at 4.25 inches, which is your middle point for your card base. So simply fold that in half, and there you have your card base. Pop your trimmer to one side for a moment. Okay, give that a little crease, and then you have two pieces to layer up inside your card. We're using cherry cobbler cardstock. No, we're not. We're using crumb cake cardstock and basic white. So a bit of a change from cherry cobbler that we have used through the other cards, but nonetheless it still looks very nice indeed. Okay, so that is our first stage. I have in the middle Christmas greetings and sending lots of love, which we will stamp at the end, but for the moment we can put those two pieces, or that piece, to one side. Okay. For this next step we need to bring in our trimmer once more. We're going to open that out, and we're going to do some scoring on the piece of pool party cardstock, so your blue piece of card. Okay, and we're going to start by scoring at 1.75 inches, 3.5 inches, 5.25 inches, and 7 inches. Okay, so you've got 4 equally sized sections, and then that large section like so. Okay, what you're now going to do is you're going to line this up at 1.25 inches, and you're going to take your scoring blade now, and you're going to score from this first score line down to this third score line. Okay, so this does work really well with your trimmer. Take your scoring blade out of the way, and then use your scoring blade to just score between those two lines like so. Okay, turn it around. Okay, and we're going to line up at 1.25 inches again, and then down here we're going to cut from your second line to your third line. Okay. Lovely. So just like so, and then you can put your trimmer to one side. Okay, so what you can now do is you can crease all your score lines really well. Okay. Like so. So we're now going to put the card together. We're going to fold that score line over. We're going to fold that one back. Now, holding the top and the bottom panel down, you're going to push it forward like so. So what that leaves is that leaves some of the panels inside and some on the outside, which pulls it out like so. Okay, and now what we can do is we can start to decorate the card. So we'll start with the back panel. We will pop this piece of white card in, like so. And then we've got our first and fourth panel, which is this lovely stitched pattern. Pop that in like so. And then we have 4 pieces of this cherry cobbler stitched pattern, and they are for there, there, there and there. This is definitely one of those card designs that once you get your head around, you will be making more and more of them. And then the last one goes over here. Then we have 2 pieces of the same pattern, and they are going to go over on this white section. And we're going to put them about there. 1, and 2, okay. And then we have our middle section. So if we open this card up, we've got this little panel here, so we can pop on our cherry cobbler piece. And then what we're going to do is we're going to fold this over. Sorry, not cherry cobbler, that was crumb cake. I always want to get cherry cobbler and crumb cake muddled for some reason. Okay. This piece then goes on there like so. And then I should have a piece of the blue pool party, which I haven't brought with me. But let me just grab that. So that piece needs to measure 1.5 by 2.25. And that of course doesn't look quite right. 1.25. Dear. This is the last video I'm filming in the series, and I think I'm getting tired. Here we go. So let's pop that bit on there. So just bringing in that pool party, and then we have some lovely pieces here. So let's first of all do our doodling. There we go. And then we've got a little bit of stamping to do. So I'm going to use the For You stamp set, stamp For You image. Which is not in my, oh no, it's right down there. I couldn't see it for looking. Sorry about that, guys. But I'm going to stamp this in cherry cobbler. So For You is going in the top right hand corner. We can then, oops, that's on the floor, add this. To that centre cherry cobbler panel. Let's close the card, And now let's attach our cute characters. I'm going to put these on with some dimensionals, like so, and then this cute kitty can go on as well. Like so, and then if we open that up, we've got peace, joy and kisses. I'm going to pop that in the centre. And now this piece can go on the front of that card base. And there we have it. That is our finished card design with our little pull-out section. I've left that one blank inside, but if you wanted to, you could stamp a little greeting inside if you wish. And there we have it. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed making it. Bye for now.